guys looking forward to?
Donuts.
It's a beautiful sunny day. No, we're going straight. They're my friends.
Look at this.
It's just so pretty. Here we are. We need to go see the giant crab.
I would. But I must imagine.
The space center is $18, so we're not going. So we're just gonna spend extra time exploring the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Am I in it? Okay. Do I look cute? Yeah. Okay.
Are you filming?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
You missed the ducks running in Netanya. And they just changed course and ran to the pond.
Good.
This is the Maritime Museum. We might go here instead. Oh, they move too fast.
I don't know.
We didn't go there either. It was also $13, which is cheaper, but
That's your impression, Maddie.
yep. It's good. This part is the dog park, so we're looking for dogs.
What?
Whoa.
There's also a seagull, so it's also Seagull Beach.
Wow.
Also simple.
More pretty beach. And someone playing an instrument. This is like a proper basketball court with like lines that you can't see it and everything. Yeah, I'm filming everything. And then this is a gymnastics playground thing.
Alright, Carla, can I put your
I know I can't do that.
offending me? Yeah, but the bar, like, if it was like out, then I feel like I would be able to.
You can climb up it.
I feel like my shoes are not like.
Picnic time.
Wait, how is there not water?
Because I couldn't carry everything. Now we're in Kids. I didn't pick an exciting store to film, but there's lots of produce stores. Gardens.
Maybe it was just like an expression of selfie, in which case that would make sense as a response.
How was your donut? Tiny spider.
They're so cute.
I need another one. This can go at the end of the video. Look at all the friends. This is the most friends I've had in so long.